happy automation.
Here someone was asking about how to get access to a workflow through API. That's achievable, but you'll need to do something. I'll tell you what you'll need to do. Firstly, you'll need to build a server on your PC that will listen your request, which will come from your API. I'll also embed this code. You'll need to also install a Python and with additional library of Flask. After installing it, when you run this code, there's a run a server on your PC. It will run while you doesn't stop it. Here's the URL for start your workflow, and below here is the URL for stop your workflow. That's the endpoint of your API. First endpoint will start your workflow and second endpoint will stop your workflow. I'll tell you how to connect your workflow with this API. When you go in your Atoma workflow which you want to connect with your API, you'll need to copy it workflow ID, go in a more button, copy it workflow ID, paste here at the end of start API, and now you'll need to also make a workflow where you'll make a workflow with a stop workflow, also copy its ID, paste in a stop endpoint of your API. Now it's an API which can be accessible with the help of endpoint, Atoma and a stop. I request for start our workflow is working fine as we are expecting, and you can also run an endpoint start your workflow. There's a make sense to how to access your workflow just with the help of API.